So today I'm getting the Christmas lights put on outside in the bush here and the bushes over there. Those are done. Come along as I move along. So I've got my lights in the front yard up, and I just did the bushes around the front yard this year. The prior 2 years I did all the way around the house up above, but I promised Kevin I wouldn't climb on a ladder this year. Makes him nervous. And I got my lights up about 2 weeks early because next week's busy with it being Thanksgiving. Kevin's got 2 doctor's appointments, and my neighbor Mary has 1 doctor's appointment I'm going to take her to. I have to be there at 7 o'clock Tuesday morning. She's having some surgery, and I pick her up Tuesday night. And then cooking on Wednesday and Thursday we're hosting. And I think Saturday Kevin has another doctor's appointment. Then we're done to the first of the year, thank God. That's going to be a busy week. So I decided I would get the lights put up early. And tomorrow I think Kevin and I will work on putting the tree up because we want it to look festive in the house when our neighbor Mary comes in Brent. So anyhow, so I just put lights here in these bushes, which will light up tonight, you'll see. Put our wreath on the front door and lights in all of these cactus over here on this bush and over there. So tonight, we'll see what that looks like. There's the coach. We'll walk through the garage. It's raining, so this is going to be fast. And tomorrow I'm going to put the tree up. Oh, how pretty. The only one on the block so far. All ready for Christmas. Look at that. Look at that. How pretty. Okay. And I have a projector coming for tomorrow. Santa will be on that wall. It's raining, gotta get inside. Well, good morning. Got my fireplace lit right there. That looked great. Take the chill out of the house. It's another cloudy day out, as you can see. We had a lot of rain last night, but today I'm gonna put up the Christmas tree. Kevin said he would help decorate if I got it up, so I'm gonna put it up, and then right there. So I'm gonna go get the tree and we'll get started. Let me get the chair out of here. straight?
Yeah, from here.
Yeah, that's good.
What about the other direction?
Will help.
Yeah, but I'm doing this perfect.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm certain, for some reason or another, they're finished. Where you see it.
I would like some with help.
I'm not done, I told you it would be.
Start to look like a Christmas tree. Nice, huh? And this little box is decorations that I've had done over the years with our pictures from. There was our ranch. This is our first Christmas in Tennessee, country living. Coach's first bath, look at that. These are the fun ones. They call them mementos. Mementos, right? Let's see. Christmas 2021. There's Kevin Coates. This was Christmas, I believe, oh no, this is 2018 Christmas. That little tree, we were still in Florida. And New Year's Eve, 2018, heading into 2019. Happy New Year. And this one's Happy New Year 20, heading into 21. our trip last year to North Carolina, 2024. This was our first winter in Tennessee. I believe this was 2020, I believe. Okay, Christmas in Tennessee. That was in Tennessee. '21 Kevin horseback riding. Got Cruise 2018 Valentine's Day. Three Amigos, our Koji with our two little miniature horses. And Christmas 2022. There's Kevin Horse Chance. Tree's looking pretty. Next thing is to hang up the icicles. What's that?
I like the stuff you have.
I do too.
There's hooks up there, a nice long green one.
Yeah.
If you wanna make it a little more easier to use.
I will. Thanks. Next are the icicles. Those pretty.
Easier to take off.
Yeah, they are. They're on hooks.
Yeah. They hang in there better too, they don't pull out. I'm not sure which is which, but you'll tell me.
You got a taste. I have a little sugar in mine. We have a little flavor in
I'm
yours.
gonna put one there
Okay.
and one there.
Okay.
No, I got it. I'm pretty sure I do. Because I drank more than you.
Looking nice, huh?